Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome, my fans. With us, you always can teach, learn, listen, speak, read, write, be fluent, professional in English. You can wait for and watch and follow our grammar quiz videos, conversations, speaking, reading, listening videos as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Encourage us to continue. Now, let's get started. Our new video. Let's enjoy. Let's go.
I love spending time with you.
I love spending time with you too. You always make me feel so happy.
You look so beautiful tonight.
Thank you. You look pretty good.
I can't imagine my life without you.
I can't imagine my life without you either.
I'm so grateful to have you in my life.
I'm grateful to have you in my life too.
I love the way you make me laugh.
I love the way you make me smile.
You're my best friend.
You're my best friend too.
I love you more than words can say.
I love you more than words can say too.
Will you marry me?
Yes.
I'm so lucky to have you as my wife.
I'm so lucky to have you as my husband.
I love you more today than I did yesterday.
I love you more today than I did yesterday too.
What do you want to do for our date night this weekend?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I was thinking we could go to that new Italian restaurant downtown.
That sounds great. I've heard good things about it. I'll make a reservation.
I had a dream about us last night.
What was it about?
We were old and gray, and we were still holding hands, and telling each other how much we love each other.
That's so sweet. I hope it comes true.
Remember that time we went hiking in the mountains?
Yes, that was so much fun.
I love the feeling of being on top of the world.
Me too. And I loved seeing the look on your face when we reached the summit.
I can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
Me too. I know we're going to have great things together.
I'm so happy to be with you.
I'm so happy to be with you too.
I'm so grateful for you.
Why?
Because you're always there for me, no matter what.
I would never do anything to hurt you.
I'm so sorry for what I said last night.
It's okay. I know you didn't mean it.
I still feel terrible about it.
Just don't do it again.
I promise I won't do it again.
Thank you.
I know I made a mistake, but I'm really sorry.
I know you are, and I forgive you.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
I promise, I'll always be here for you.
I know you will, and I'll always be here for you too.
We'll always be there for each other.
I know we will.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you, more than words can say.
I love you, more than words can say too.
I don't even have to talk to you. I just like being around you.
Me too, I just like being with you.
I love your sense of humor. You always make me laugh.
I love your compassion. You always put others first.
I love your beauty. You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen.
I love your intelligence. You're always learning new things.
I love your heart.
You're the kindest person I know. You look so handsome tonight.
Thank you. You look beautiful too.
I love your new haircut.
Thanks, I got it done for you. I love your new dress.
I got it for you. I've never told anyone this before, but I'm afraid of spiders.
I'm afraid of heights.
I'm afraid of being alone.
I'm afraid of failure.
I'm afraid of not being good enough.
I'm afraid of losing you.
You make me feel like I can do anything.
You make me feel like I'm the luckiest man alive.
You make me feel like I'm the most beautiful woman in the world.
You make me feel like I'm the most important person in your life.
You make me feel like I can be myself.
You make me feel like I'm home. I care about you so much.
I care about you too.
I'll always be here for you, no matter what.
I'll always be here for you too.
I hope we can travel the world together someday.
Me too. I want to see all the different cultures and meet new people.
I hope we can have a house with a wide picket fence and a big backyard.
I want a house with a big kitchen so I can cook for you.
I hope we can have a family together.
I want to have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. I'm afraid of not being good enough for you.
You're the most amazing woman I know. I would never think that you're not good enough for me.
I'm afraid of losing you.
I would never do anything to hurt you or make you lose me.
I'm afraid of not being able to make you happy.
You make me happier than I ever thought I could be. I believe in you. I love you.
I love you too.
I appreciate everything you do for me.
I just love you.
I appreciate how you make me laugh, even when I'm feeling down.
I just love your smile.
I appreciate how you always listen to me, no matter what.
I just love your voice.
I appreciate how you always make me feel special.
I just love you.
Love, romance and dating conversations. Listen, read, speak and improve your English skills. Let's get started. Let's enjoy.
I love spending time with you.
I love spending time with you too. You always make me feel so happy.
You look so beautiful tonight.
Thank you. You look pretty good.
I can't imagine my life without you.
I can't imagine my life without you either.
I'm so grateful to have you in my life.
I'm grateful to have you in my life too.
I love the way you make me laugh.
I love the way you make me smile.
You're my best friend.
You're my best friend too.
I love you more than words can say.
I love you more than words can say too.
Will you marry me?
Yes.
I'm so lucky to have you as my wife.
I'm so lucky to have you as my husband.
I love you more today than I did yesterday.
I love you more today than I did yesterday too.
What do you want to do for our date night this weekend?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I was thinking we could go to that new Italian restaurant downtown.
That sounds great. I've heard good things about it. I'll make a reservation.
I had a dream about us last night.
What was it about?
We were old and gray, and we were still holding hands and telling each other how much we love each other.
That's so sweet. I hope it comes true.
Remember that time we went hiking in the mountains?
Yes, that was so much fun.
I love the feeling of being on top of the world.
Me too. And I loved seeing the look on your face when we reached the summit.
I can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
Me too. I know we're going to have great things together.
I'm so happy to be with you.
I'm so happy to be with you too.
I'm so grateful for you.
Why?
Because you're always there for me, no matter what.
I would never do anything to hurt you.
I'm so sorry for what I said last night.
It's okay. I know you didn't mean it.
I still feel terrible about it.
Just don't do it again.
I promise I won't do it again.
Thank you.
I know I made a mistake, but I'm really sorry.
I know you are, and I forgive you.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
I promise, I'll always be here for you.
I know you will, and I'll always be here for you too.
We'll always be there for each other.
I know we will.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you, more than words can say.
I love you, more than words can say too.
I don't even have to talk to you. I just like being around you.
Me too, I just like being with you.
I love your sense of humor. You always make me laugh.
I love your compassion. You always put others first.
I love your beauty. You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen.
I love your intelligence. You're always learning new things.
I love your heart.
You're the kindest person I know. You look so handsome tonight.
Thank you. You look beautiful too.
I love your new haircut.
Thanks. I got it done for you. I love your new dress.
I got it for you. I've never told anyone this before, but I'm afraid of spiders.
I'm afraid of heights.
I'm afraid of being alone.
I'm afraid of failure.
I'm afraid of not being good enough.
I'm afraid of losing you.
You make me feel like I can do anything.
You make me feel like I'm the luckiest man alive.
You make me feel like I'm the most beautiful woman in the world.
You make me feel like I'm the most important person in your life.
You make me feel like I can be myself.
You make me feel like I'm home. I care about you so much.
I care about you too.
I'll always be here for you, no matter what.
I'll always be here for you too.
I hope we can travel the world together someday.
Me too. I want to see all the different cultures and meet new people.
I hope we can have a house with a white picket fence and a big backyard.
I want a house with a big kitchen so I can cook for you.
I hope we can have a family together.
I want to have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. I'm afraid of not being good enough for you.
You're the most amazing woman I know. I would never think that you're not good enough for me.
I'm afraid of losing you.
I would never do anything to hurt you or make you lose me.
I'm afraid of not being able to make you happy.
You make me happier than I ever thought I could be. I believe in you. I love you.
I love you too.
I appreciate everything you do for me.
I just love you.
I appreciate how you make me laugh, even when I'm feeling down.
I just love your smile.
I appreciate how you always listen to me, no matter what.
I just love your voice.
I appreciate how you always make me feel special.
I just love you.
Thanks for watching. I hope you really liked this video. If you could improve your English a little more with this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Encourage us to continue. See you soon. We will meet you again. Love you. Love you. Love you. Take care.